Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for anyone who uses DeepSeek regularly, especially if you're into reverse engineering, cybersecurity, or hacking. I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek V4 Flash for free and with unlimited access through the Freebuff agent. Now, open the Freebuff website in your browser. I'll leave the link in the description. Go to the CLI page, and here you'll find the installation command. Copy that command, open your terminal, paste it in, and hit Enter to install the Freebuff agent. If you also get a command not found error after the installation, don't worry. Just use ChatGPT to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue. In this step, you need to select the project you want to work with. I'll select my project and then click Open. Now press Enter. This will open a link in your browser where you can log into Freebuff. I'll select Continue with Google. Once the login is successful, go back to your terminal and let's type something to test it out. Now, I'll show you how I tested it when I used it for the first time. Now, when you use it for the first time, it might take a little while to get started. But once it's running, the responses become a lot faster. For example, I simply said, "Hey, I want to create a snake game." It took some time because it was actually thinking through the problem, planning the implementation, and then reviewing the code before finally creating the game for me. Now, let's run the game and see how well DeepSeek actually created it. Let's try it out and see what we get. And that's it. Now you know how to use DeepSeek and other AI models for free through the Freebuff agent. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.